Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So Bitcoin did drop under 60K. And again, if you guys already saw my recent TA that I just did earlier today, that's not a very good sign for Bitcoin, especially with everything kind of closing bearish. Usually when this happens, when you have a big drop like this, um, from that drop all the way to the bottom, you actually tend to rally to this top right here at the 60,000 like 900 mark, and you see a slow trickle down back to this big wick at 59.8. So don't be surprised that we go back to here like 60,900 and then slowly start trickling down all over again, right? Because this happened within in the span of what, like an hour or so, right? So 525 for, yeah, like an hour and 20 minutes. So usually when you have big spikes like this or just big drops, you tend to, hit a low point, recover all the way right before the drop, and then slowly come back down here. So just speculation for now. As of right now, though, I am turning more and more bearish as the day goes because Bitcoin does seem to be, consistently dropping, and it did break that 60K barrier. It looks like you're forming some sort of a head and shoulders pattern up here, which is also a little bit concerning, but I have to look at the TA to really kind of keep an eye out because, I don't like trading candlestick patterns unless they are 100% clear, and I can only do that if I'm on TradingView. But again, Bitcoin's looking bearish. As of right now, I want to see how we close today, later today, how we close the week. But if we do close the week bear, or at least a weekend bullish week, I would not be surprised to see like a 54, 53, 54K Bitcoin in the next, I don't know, couple of weeks. Would not be surprised, but we got to see how today closes. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.